I love you, baby. You're the best thing in my life. But there are things I would never say, even if you were my wife. For example, when other guys tell their girlfriends, hey, I'd catch a grenade for you. Or if you're gone, I just couldn't go on. Well, they haven't really thought it through. Cause what if aliens invaded and they were coming after us? Well, I would hold you tight one last time and then I would just run like fucking hell away from that alien attack. And if you can't keep up or you fall down, there's no way I'm coming back for you. They can catch you, probe you, do anything with their experiments. Cause if sacrificing you saves my life, that is my intent. Don't get me wrong, I love that you are mine. But if the choice is dying with you or life, I choose life every time. So if you catch a deadly virus, yeah, I might cry, but I wouldn't infect myself like that guy in Outbreak. I'd probably just watch you die. And if zombies took over the world and Canada's in the street and they were frantically searching for someone to eat, well, I would shove you right into that zombie horde so they could eat your brains. Then I would look around for a weapon with that extra time I gained. And if you turned into a zombie, I'd happily shoot you in the head. Cause I'd rather be alive on my own than fucking dead. And if you turned into a vampire and wanted me to be one too, well, I would look deep into your eyes and say, yeah, that's cool. You look fucking hot. Oh, I'll be like Spike and Drusilla. But anything else? And I would throw you to the wolves, my dear, metaphorically. Unless we were actually being chased by wolves, then I'd do it literally. If you were gone, I guess I would just find somebody new. Cause I'd rather be alive than dead with you. It's not very romantic, but I'd rather be alive than dead with you.